Yeah, hello everyone. You're welcome once more again to Mamo Exam Prep Up, where we solve our problems on maths. All right, we have a WhatsApp community. If you check the description down below, use the link and join the community where you can drop all problems of maths. All right, so without wasting much of our time today, we are going to be looking at number base. Let's get right into the video. All right, today's question, we are going to convert 10110.011 base 2 to base 10. So yes, I have it here on the board. So it's in base 2. So what we are simply going to do is I'm going to put the powers. Alright, so from this place down, I have this as power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from this, like your number line. So from this, I have minus 1, okay, minus 2, and minus 3. So that's our first. Now expanding this, I have 1 times 2 raised to power 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2, okay, plus I have 1 times 2, 1 times 2 raised to power what? 1 plus what? I have 0 times 2 raised to power what? 0. Alright, from here we still have 0 times what? 2 raised to power minus 1, okay, plus I have 1 times 2 raised to power what? Minus 2. And lastly, we have 1 times 2 raised to power minus 3. So this is the expanded form of the problem. Alright, so let's know what our powers means. 2 raised to power 4 means what? Alright, 2 times 2 times what? 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is what? 16. So in place of this, we have what? 16. We have 16. Right, next one is 2 times 2 times 2. This is 4, 8. This is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. And this is just 2. So we are going to substitute. Instead of 2 raised to the power 3, I'm going to have what? I'm going to have 8. Instead of 2 raised to the power 2, we are going to have what? We are going to have 4. Instead of 2 raised to the power 1, I have 2. Alright, so we'll try the ones of 0 power, negative powers. Alright, so 2 raised to power 0 from law of indices means 1, because anything raised to power 0 is 1. What about this? I'm going to apply the inverse law. 2 raised to power what? 1 over what? 2. How about this? I have 1 over 2 raised to power 2, which means 1 over what? 2 times 2. So this is 1 over 4. What about this? I have 1 over 2 raised to power 3, which means 1 over 2 times 2 times 2, which means what? 1 over 8. So we are going to input this. So this is what? We have this as 1. We have this as what? Half. Okay. We have this as what? 1 over 4. So I have it as 1 over 4. And lastly, we have this as what? 1 over 8. Alright, so we have substituted all the powers. I haven't taken this step. Now let's multiply. 1 times 16 is 16 plus 0 times 8 is 0, plus 1 times 4 is 4, okay, plus 1 times 2 is 2, plus 0 times 1 is what? 0, plus 0 times half is what? 0, plus 1 times 1/4 is 1/4, okay, plus 1 times 1/8 is 1/8. All right. So adding it up, I'm going to have 16 plus 4, of course, is 20 plus 2. I have 22 plus 0 is 22 plus 0 is 22 plus I have 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. All right, so we are now going to solve the fraction. All right, so solving the fractional part, I can see that we can make this equal denominator. If I times this by 2, times this by 2. So I have 22 plus 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is what? 8 plus 1 over 8. All right, from this, solving, now since they are equal denominator, we have this as 8 is the LCM. So we have 2 plus 1. All right, so this is going to further give us 22 plus what? 3 over 8. All right, when you have this in maths, you can simply write it as this. Simply remove the plus and join it. You apply this for only plus. When you have a whole number and a fraction, join it, removing the plus. All right, but our final answer, we are going to write it as 22 points. Of course, we have to convert the fractional part to decimal. Of course, converting our fractional part to decimal here, I'm going to have 8 divided 3. So we have 0 points. If you know how to divide the decimal, so we have 30. So 8 into 30 is how many times? 3 times, which will give us 24, because 3 times 8 is 24. If I subtract, I have what? I have 6. If I put down 0, 8 into 60 is 56, and that will give us 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. If we subtract, we have 4, put down 0. 8 divided 40 is 5. So that will give us 40 and 0. So from this, the decimal parts of 3 over 8 is 0.375. So this is our answer, 22.375 base 10.